some changes are coming to some of the welcome centers on the New York State Thruway. I'm the NYC traveler. When you take a road trip, it is certain that you will need rest stops to fill up the gas tank, to eat, and, well, to rest. We love to experience different rest stops. I'm the NYC traveler, and we are on the road. The Mohawk Center is on I-90 West, the New York State Thruway, near Fultonville, New York. Fultonville is named after Robert Fulton, the inventor of the steamboat. The village is on the Mohawk River. The Mohawks are one of the 5 members of the Iroquois Nation. This service center was one of the larger ones on the New York State Thruway. Not only did it have restaurants and places for you to eat, even if you brought your own snack, it also had gas for your car. The NYC traveler. We've been at the Mohawk Welcome Center on I-90 on the New York State Thruway.